Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. This is Nessa CX Beauty, and today we are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Halloween Deluxe Mystery Box for 2020. This is the biggest box. She was $100 and there are going to be 8 products in here, 2 of which will be exclusive. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in my box, just continue watching. Now, before I do open this box, I did want to comment on the lip that I have today. It is a Velvet Trap lipstick. This is in the shade Medieval Kiss. It's a very dark purple. I'm undecided on how I feel about the formula. It's very slippery, very slidey, and it doesn't dry down. So I can see this wreaking havoc if I were to drink something or eat something. That's just like a mini review right before hopping into this box. We about to open her up. And there is a ton of paper. Okay, so this is a t-shirt. It looks like it has like a little bit of acid wash. It's so cute. It's orange and black with the Jeffree Star logo right here, and then also in the back as well. I did get the size medium, and this is how big she looks. Let's look at her compared to my buddy. Oh, this will be a nice like sleeping shirt. It goes up to about my mid hip, and I am 4'11", so mid hip, 4'11", medium. Then there is more paper. The first thing that I see is a lip liner, and this is in the shade Calabasas. I do own Scorpio, but let us see Calabasas swatched out. I am unaware if this is the old formula or the new formula. They look pretty similar. It might be the old formula. I don't know. But this is Calabasas swatched on my hand. Very creamy. I'll put that to good use. So I think that's a win for me in this box so far. The next item in my box is a lip scrub, and this is in Blue Raspberry Sucker. So this came out with the Blue Blood, I believe, and I'll put this in a giveaway for future. The next one is a velour liquid lip, and this is in the shade Thirst Trap. This is she looks like a metallic, I have no clue. I might just put this in a giveaway as well. I'm not going to open her up. Thirst Trap, and this sucker will be in a giveaway. The next item in the box is a gloss, and this is in the shade Candy Drip. Let us see how Candy Drip looks. Ooh, she's pinky. And this is Candy Drip. I'm going to see if I can put her on top. Oh yeah, I definitely got some purple on her. I'm telling you, the Thirst Trap lipstick, Thirst Trap? Velvet Trap lipstick does not dry down, so. But Candy Drip, I'll also put her on my hand so y'all can see. It's a baby pink with sparkles. Next up in the box is the second exclusive item. The first one was the shirt. This one is a lip balm named Widow. And it looks like it was supposed to be a part of the cremated collection because it has that marble packaging. And then this is the packaging for the balm. It looks and feels the same as the packaging for the new Velvet Trap lipsticks, except black. But it does not have the magnetic closure that the Velvet Trap does. And then this is the balm. Oh, it looks a little gray, but Let's see if it has any pigment. Oh, barely. That's interesting. Next up, I actually knew that this was going to be in the box because I've watched a couple unboxing. This is an Extreme Frost, and I got the shade Choking on Ice. It does come in a little jewelry box. And then you take her out. Ooh. And this is Choking on Ice. I'm about to swatch her. Holy crap. And this is Choking on Ice. And then we can just keep the box for storage because I ain't gonna throw this out, to be honest. And then the last thing in the box, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be blood sugar. I already have blood sugar. Yeah, this is blood sugar. Blood sugar. I'm not even gonna open it. This is gonna go in a giveaway. So if you are, you know, interested in getting any of the 3 items that I did mention will be in a giveaway, please make sure you are subscribed so when that giveaway comes through, y'all know how to, you know, enter. But that was my box. Did I think that it was worth it? I'm happy with the highlighter and the shirt. I'm very happy about the box. I'm also happy that we got like wearable glosses and lip liners in it. And I'm pretty excited about the balm. So I guess I would say yes. I kind of wish that he had like an exclusive highlighter this year like he had last year. But beggars can't be choosers and mystery boxes are mystery boxes. I am content with what I got. I got a few things for a giveaway. I got a few things for myself. And that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. I did want to show y'all this shirt on. Again, this is a medium. And then I did want to also update y'all on the Velvet Trap lipstick. I don't think I'm ever going to buy another one. But for real this time, bye-bye.